In this video, I want to show you how to select multiple objects. There are two ways to enter multi-select mode. The first is to select the toggle in the side menu. As a refresher, you can pull that up by pointing either controller at the side of the other. A blue toggle means on and gray means off. This button will keep you in multi-select mode until you toggle it off. When it is on, you'll notice the end of your blue laser looks more like a bullseye rather than a single point to indicate you're in multi-select mode. The second way to enter multi-select mode, which is probably the easiest way, is by holding down the trigger on the opposite controller. You'll exit this mode when you release the trigger. Multi-select mode is useful for a few things, but probably the one you'll use most is to apply materials and colors to multiple objects. For example, let's say we want these two walls to match the color of this third wall. First, enter multi-select mode, then select the wall that has the color or material you want. Then select each of the remaining walls. Once that's done, release the trigger in your opposite hand to exit multi-select mode. If you look at the controller, you'll see the number of objects you currently have selected. The last thing to do is to open the Properties menu and apply the materials and colors to the other two walls. Now, one thing I do want to point out is applying colors and materials to multiple objects at once only works if the objects are the same or have the same material selections. For example, I can't apply a material or color from a wall to the floor using multi-select mode, but I could apply a material from a wall to a column since they have the same material lists. To finish, it's important to know that while in multi-select mode, you won't be able to move any objects. So if you are having trouble moving something, check to see if your laser has a bullseye at the end and if you have multi-select toggled on.